Hey everyone, George here, hope you're doing well. So before I begin this video, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe. The support of my channel is very much appreciated and I do see all the comments, so thank you for supporting my channel so far. So in this video, I want to talk about the importance of definitions and symbols in maths and why, unfortunately, we do have to learn them. So I hate learning definitions and symbols with a passion. I really despise it. And the reason why is because it's boring. It's really, really boring. It's not what maths is really about. Maths is about problem solving, reasoning, communicating abstract ideas. All that is very exciting. But having to go through definitions and symbols is really, really boring. Unfortunately, though, it's very necessary. And the reason why is because, at least from my point of view, is that it's a bit of a cliche, but maths is very much like learning another language. It really is. So there's stuff that I can look at and I can read like a book. So I could read like academic papers like a book that are based on maths. Most people who are not mathematically trained cannot. And it is very much like having to learn another language from scratch. And the symbols, as well as the definitions, are like things such as verbs and nouns and the alphabet. And all of these key things that are important when learning another language. Very much so, math is the same, and symbols and definitions are the key foundation for that. And so unfortunately they do need to be learnt well. And what happens is, when you do learn them and you come across problems, they become part of your problem solving repertoire. Because what will happen in time is that you start linking the symbols and definitions to key concepts. It's like a chain. So for example, you might see maybe the epsilon letter, and you might link that to maybe a limit definition, which would then link to maybe other forms of limit techniques. I don't know, maybe L'Hopital's rule, for example, or things like this. And this will happen more on a subconscious level without you thinking about it too much. It certainly does with me. So I'll see symbols, and without really thinking about it too much, there's like this chain reaction taking place inside my mind on different symbols and definitions that I see to that end. And what happens is I start immediately having like different ideas and tools that could come to mind and could be useful here. They might not. They might be completely worthless to the problem you're working on. But the point is, they might be. And this is the importance of learning definitions and symbols and why we do have to learn it, unfortunately. But when you get to that stage and you do see these things and this flow of ideas starts to happen, it's very exciting and it makes maths a lot more interesting. So it's definitely something to break through if you're learning maths. So yeah, those are my thoughts on that. So make sure you learn your definitions and symbols well. So yeah, again, thank you very much for watching this content. If you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe. The support is very much appreciated. I'm going to be bringing you more maths content in the near future. So take care of yourself and all the best.